Good morning. Today is one of the first super cold, Florida cold days in February. I just went to a great seminar at my local nursery. They gave me all the instructions on how to prune roses because I haven't done it. But since my rose here seems to be meeting the criteria, which is mostly it's been in a pot in your yard or somewhere for at least a year. It is a cold day in February for my zone, which is where, we qualify for pruning. So I'm going to try and hack away at it, but I just wanted to kind of show you before, and then hopefully I'll show you it after, and then hopefully in a few weeks, we can show you what it looks like when it grows back. Right, Wally? Right? Maybe. Okay. What are you doing? In the meantime, Wally will check our Brussels sprouts for us. Okay, bye, Wally. I'm gonna stand where I was before so you can see how small it is. But also, I got a little clipper happy and trimmed some of my pollinator almond bush up a little bit. Fingers crossed this is gonna work out okay. Hi, lady. Oh, kitty. I know it's a little bit of a mess for you. So, when I was working on this, realized that this nodule here up here is dead. That's unfortunate. And this part down here isn't looking so great. So we'll see. I didn't trim here because I was like, well, maybe it'll make 2 shoots here. Not sure if that's actually how it works or not. But I did find this little guy. Whoop. Who's probably molting, so I'm gonna leave him alone. But for now, this is what it looks like. Lady! She's probably upset because we just trimmed the tree a lot. So all of the cuttings are here, so it's not as easy for her to get to her pickings over here, but she'll find it. Just before we go, I wanted to show you guys, look, I have strawberries. At least a strawberry. There's one over here. It's looking pretty good. Small, but I grew it, so it's mine and I know it's organic. And these are my radishes starting. So keep you guys updated on how they grow later. Okay, bye, lady. No, lady can't hear me. Who are we kidding?